Imagine someone asked you to tell him two things that if he does will make him successful. What would you tell him? If I were to tell this to my younger self or even someone younger than me, I would just give him two things. First, something that gives him the clarity of the day, and second, that acts as a reward system for him. Well, if you take a look at the schedule of past Zach, it would look something like this. You can see how cooked I am in this one. Just following something that I can't even follow. And on top of that, these little quotes follow strictly and discipline with an exclamation mark, just to make me realize that it is important, not even worth the time, right? When I was following this type of timetable, I was failing at 90% of the tasks written in it. And I was just able to complete two things. First, it was lunch, and second, it was chilling. So you can see how cooked I was, right? So how did I start to follow that timetable? Well, the answer is simple. I didn't. I recreated a timetable for myself and a habit tracker and started doing those. And this is how your timetable should look like. If you want to really make progress, your timetable should look something like this. Well, of course, don't copy the tasks, insert yours there, but look at the task's timing. The timings are more in like a span. I have created check system to stimulate my brain into it. Like see, these are the check systems. First, the tick is followed fully. The normal average slash is 50% followed. The forward slash is barely followed, and the crosses didn't follow at all. So I created these to stimulate my brain into it. And more of all, I have imagined the picture of this grid being fully filled so that I can complete it one day. And the second one would be my habit tracker. And here you can see there are only things that are important to me but at the same time are difficult to me. That's why you can't see the column of gym here, because definitely gym is important to me, but it is not something that is difficult for me, because gym is something that I am doing for a long time, and even if I don't do anything else for the day, I will still work out because it is just my habit to do that now and I just love doing that. The idea is not to pinpoint each timing. The idea is to span it out. Like just make the timetable that it includes your most important thing and most difficult thing at the same time in your habit tracker. And even if you are fully dedicated towards making these two, you gotta know that there is going to be a time when you just can't make these. Like you just can't follow these timetable fully, and that's okay too. That is just a little drop down in your graph. And if you look at the graph of a big company or a successful company, you will notice that there is never a straight line. It is always these little drop downs included in that graph, and it adds up exponentially for the growth. And that is how you define growth in real life too. And you know what the crazy part about this is? That the guy who just gets forward slashes for his whole life is still ahead of the guy who never even tried. Because you don't have to be invincible. You just have to be unstoppable. And that's how you will be consistent too. And if you take the idea in your mind, you will start to make progress really fast in your life. And until then, bye.